Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of office must-haves where I'm going to talk about tops, accessories and footwear. So let's start this video. First, let's talk about footwears, and if you have these 5 types of shoes, you can literally slay any office look. First, obviously sneakers. One clean white pair because this easily pairs with any outfit. And if you are someone who wants comfort first, then of course you need to invest in a good quality sneakers. Also, some playful colors. Think burgundy, chocolate brown, navy blue, or this emerald green. Like I am fan of this particular color. This shoes is like so rich. Just imagine a complete black outfit, this green shoes and brown, dark brown tote bag and belt. Like that is such a rich look. Next, flats. One pair in any neutral color that just pairs easily with any outfit. And one in brown, of course, because this is such a versatile and perfect choice for everyday office wear. Next are my favorite, Mary Janes. If you are not comfortable with heels, you can go for ballet flats. But I personally like block heels because I am very short and I need that extra height. And this particular color, especially this burgundy one, it just looks so well with most of the outfits. Then kitten heels, you definitely need to have them for a very classy workwear wardrobe. I went for 2 inches of heel height because that's very comfortable and very appropriate for every day. Also go for black color because this is like very easy to style and this will literally go with most of your outfits. Lastly, nude pointed toe heels, a very classic addition to your workwear wardrobe. And of course, if you are not comfortable with heels every day, which I get it, then you can opt for block heels or flats. They look just as chic. With footwear done, let's move on to the types of tops that you need to invest if you want to build a classy workwear wardrobe. So before moving on, I would like to give a quick disclaimer. Like I am just showing all the types and styles of tops that you need to have. Does not necessarily mean that you have to buy exactly what I'm buying. So you can go for something that aligns with your personal style and your body type. First, we have this draped scarf style top, and if you will notice, such scarf styles are already in trend right now. And I really like the emerald green color because you will be seeing this color a lot this season. You can pair this with black, beige, gray, or cream bottoms for an elevated office look. Next, a high neck top in this beautiful rust color. This is like a very rich and classy color, but high necks doesn't flatter everyone. So if you have a fuller burst, then you might want to skip this one and instead you can go for a V-neck or scoop neck. And coming back to this one, this particular color pairs beautifully with black, white, cream, beige, brown like chocolate brown, olive green and even navy blue. Then we have this cowl neck with this pinstripe detailing. This looks like very polished and very office appropriate. This neck type looks beautiful on pear-shaped body type, rectangle body type, broad shoulder. If you have broad shoulder, this will look nice on you because it just tends to soften them very nicely, and on medium to fuller burst because of the drape, of course. Gray pairs wonderfully with gray because of the monochrome look. It gives like effortlessly chic look. Then burgundy is also a very nice color that just looks rich and luxe. Then we have white, black, olive green, navy blue, soft pink. It just looks beautiful. Now a drape style high neck top in this very beautiful wine color, and if you will notice, this drape style will be like all over the place this season because this style is so in right now. Also, like wine is such an underrated color. Like it's unique, it's elegant and it's very easy to style. You can pair this with colors like black, white, beige, cream and chocolate brown. Next, you need to invest in blouses like solid colors or such printed tie-up blouses. The tie detail especially gives a very chic and office-coded vibe to the entire look. This is like very easy to pair with flared bottoms or straight pants, or even satin skirt will look nice. Waistcoats are like absolute essential when it comes to office wear. One definitely in white or cream color. I like this one because it's in peplum style and I am an inverted triangle body type. So this style just suits me so well and it just has a structure of its own. So it's very easy to style this one. And of course, one in black color. You just can't skip a black waistcoat when it comes to office wear. Black pairs very nicely with like white bottom. It just looks fresh, very sharp and compliment worthy. Next is this wrap style top with this gold detailing. I personally like this style because it's like very elegant yet statement making. You can pair this olive green with white, black, dark gray and beige. Of course, a polo neck t-shirt because this is such a must have for semi casual Fridays. Go for color that complements your skin tone. I personally like this powder blue color because you will be seeing this color a lot this year, and I like the fact that polo neck t-shirts are not just appropriate for office but also for casual outings. Now moving on to accessories, just keep it simple. You don't need a lot, just a few staples. So for earrings, go for studs or hoop that are very minimal in silver and golden for everyday wear. Then minimal rings like these one in silver and golden also. For watches, go for one gold metal watch like this one. It gives a very elegant and old money vibes. And one definitely in silver or like this mixed metal for variety. You definitely need to have everyday stack ready, one in silver and one in gold metal. That just saves a lot of time and efforts. Lastly, let's not forget belts. Just go for these three color, brown, black and white, and you are sorted. Pro tip, try to match the color of your belt either with your pants or with your bag and footwear. And that's literally all you need for an evergreen, classy, chic workwear wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I will see you next time. Till then, you can watch my must-have bottoms for office and tote bag for office video. So yeah, meet you next time. Bye.